Hey guys, welcome to another edition of GamingNight. Got another pickup unboxing. This one's mounted out of molehills. That's the front, that's the back. My fiance wanted me to unbox it for her. She's not big on being on camera, so hold on. Okay. So first you get the rule book. It's illustrated to explain how it all works. Then you got you got two boards, and you got the underground, which is these two. There's two different ones depending on the number of players. Then you got number of players again, so that's the above ground. So, and these are the stands for the board. There's these. So there's 4 of those. And these are the molehills. They're pretty big. Alright, so yeah, you got the score pads. Then you got tokens. I think those are victory tokens. Ooh, let's see, are these plastic? Yeah. Those are plastic. I like. So yeah, different. I like the fact those are. And then you got a dice. And then you got. No, I haven't found that. Okay. So I'm assuming. I'll have to figure out, but. It shows you how to set the board up. Oh, okay, use the box. Okay. That's what I thought. The very few games where you actually use the box. Okay, so we got the cards that tell you, so we got, yeah, the movement cards. So these are like 2 spaces forward, 1 turn. So I think it's a, yeah. So all these symbology. So yeah, it's kind of like a Robo Rally, but you're trying to guess. You're trying to get the tallest amount of mounds and stuff. Make basically mountains out of molehills, what you're basically doing, which is essentially the name of the game. So that's what you're doing. And my fiance saw it and something she liked, and so I told her to get it for her. 2, 3, 4. So when she likes certain games, if I know what kind of games she likes, then I don't have a problem getting them for her. So it's 4 players, so we'll be able to play this. I get like our group's like a little bit bigger sometimes, but majority we probably You get typically around 3 to 4 players. So there you have it. Mountains out of Molehills. Thanks for watching.